friends, this is Audrey again. Now we're going to open the barbecue set. This set is a barbecue place. Paper.
What paper?
Yes.
You don't need to, just a sticker on the bag and I don't know, doesn't matter.
Okay. Then we got the chair and the flat piece. Okay, it's flat now. Now we need the table and then the blue mat for the table. And then the blue mat for the table. And then the pink cup. And then the very duper hard part. And we need both of these pieces. And then we put this red thing on top and pretend it's burning hot. And then we put the sizzles. Where's the other sizzles? Oops, the other sizzle is right here. Oopsies. Oopsie daisies. And then we need to put this, not this, this. Yep, this. Here and here. And then in the back we need one of these. And then this, and then this. We need to first plug this in. And then put this, and then put this big block. And then we're done with this thingy. Not done. We have to use the grizzle part. Now we done the top. Yep, we done with the grizzle too. You just have to put this on the back. Yep, that's all. And then we can also put the fried chicken on top. Hey cameraman, I'm done.
Yeah, good.
See, I made fried chicken and the grizzle.
Remember last time we went for a grill in Germany?
No.
You don't remember? Oh, you were 4 years old. Actually, 3.5.
I'm 7. Okay. How am I supposed to remember that moment?
Yeah, we got some pictures. I can try to show you some pictures when.
Let's
sometimes
drink
later.
some water.
Or you can check your Audrey channel. Sometimes you find your old pictures.
And sometimes I find my old laughing videos.
Yeah, you just type hashtag AUDREY
YUNG.
on YouTube, and then you can find Audrey.
And you can type it on your paper. So see you on my next video. No, close up. Silly me, I'm always forgetting the close up. Okay, close up, close up.